So let's go ahead and we'll just trim this, and my sense is that it's probably just gonna kind of come right off
Yeah.
in chunks
Okay.
without any pain. If anything hurts, you let me know.
Okay. Ooh, sorry.
That hit the window.
Dent in the wall. It's pretty thick.
Yeah, but it's mostly not attached,
Yeah.
so.
It's hard to do something like that on yourself with nail clippers. You're too scared to hurt your own self.
Yeah, I'm gonna go a little wider here because I keep going out of frame.
Looks like it mangled my toe.
Well, you know, you've got the dent right in
Yeah.
here, and that would be really painful, I would think.
Yeah.
So if
it
this was,
didn't ever really bother me, but that's why I kind of let it go for so long.
Mhm.
It never really hurt or anything. But then it got so jagged with the...
dropping the frozen,
Yeah. The frozen sausage and buy the thing. At least it's always just that toenail.
Yeah.
No matter what happens, it takes the abuse.
okay. So you're right, there's a new nail coming in back under here. Now that you've had one nail that grew in a little bit deformed,
Yeah.
it may just continue to grow in that way,
Yeah.
it's hard to know.
Yeah.
So,
Does it help to soak it a lot or often or do
No.
anything?
no.
Probably have to just soak it to get rid of all the junk in there.
Or come in and let me do it.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, you get a lot of crud back under.
Yeah. It's just
Crud, that's a technical term.
You learned that in medical school,
Yeah.
right?
Goes right along with gunk. Yes, this is just a lot of dead skin and debris
Oh, okay.
and sock fuzz and dirt, and
Yeah.
it just kind of gets stuck back there.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna take my little drill,
Okay.
which as a dental hygienist will sound horrifyingly similar to.
As long as it's not the Cavitron, that's how I ever used.
Okay, so I'm just gonna smooth it out and thin it out a little bit. Oh, it tickled?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
vibrating.
Alright, I don't have to do any more.
It's just like untouched skin for so long. It's just like,
Yeah, I just didn't want to leave any sharp spots on it.
Yeah.
So, but it looks really good. It should feel fine. You know, the skin in here
Yeah.
is all normal skin at this point anyway,
Okay.
because the nail
Right.
wasn't attached for so long.
Yeah.
Okay. So see how that grows back in.
Okay.
And if you have any more problems, you can let us know.
Okay.
Thank you for letting me do a video.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, and for both problems, then I'll just see you back as